Come sing, go bell and bow, and to me pay attention. Don't ever fall in love, it's the devil's own invention. Once I fell in love with a maiden so bewitching, Miss Henrietta Bell out of Captain Kelly's kitchen. Toodle-oo-lady, 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 toodle-oo-lady. At the age of 17, I was apprenticed to a grocer, not far from Stephen's Green, where Miss Henry used to go, sir. Her manners were sublime, she set my heart to itching, and she invited me to a hoolie in the kitchen. Toodle-oo-lady, 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 toodle-oo-lady. Well, next Sunday being the day I was to have me flare up, I dressed myself so gay, and I frizzed and I'd me hair up. The captain had no wife, and he had gone off fishing, so I kicked up my life down below stairs in that kitchen. Toodle-oo-lady, 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 toodle-oo-lady. With her arms around me waist, she shyly hinted marriage. To the door in dreadful haste came old Captain Kelly's carriage. Her eyes were full with hate and poison she was spitting, when the captain at the door, he walked right into the kitchen. Toodle-oo-lady, 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 toodle-oo-lady. Well, the captain came downstairs, he saw my situation. In spite of all me prayers, I was marched up to the station. For me they'd give no bail, or to get home I was itching, and I had to tell the tale of how I got into that kitchen. Toodle-oo-lady, 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 toodle-oo-lady. Now 6 months it did pass by, and I was sent for trial. The Becky took his seat, found me name there in the fire. She swore I robbed the house, in spite of all me pleading. I got 6 months hard for me courting in the kitchen. Toodle-oo.